How to do a sumo squat with elevated feet using a weight plate under each foot. Elevating your feet increases range of motion and allows for a deeper squat, targeting inner thighs, adductors, glutes, quads, and hamstrings more intensely. 1. Equipment. 2 sturdy weight plates. Same height, ideally 1 to 2 inches thick. Optional. Dumbbell, kettlebell, or weight plate held in your hands for added resistance. Foot position. Place a weight plate under each foot, wide apart, wider than shoulder width. Toes pointed slightly outward, 30 to 45 degree. Number 3, hold the weight with both hands in front of you, e.g., goblet hold or let it hang between your legs. Execution. 1. Stand tall. Core engaged, chest up, shoulders down and back. Arms straight if holding the weight down, or elbows tucked if in goblet position. 2. Lower down. Hinge slightly at the hips and bend your knees. Push your hips back and down as if sitting between your heels. Keep knees tracking in line with your toes. Don't let them cave in. Go as low as comfortable, ideally until your hips are below knee level thanks to the elevation. Thigh hold briefly. At the bottom, pause for 1 to 2 seconds to feel the stretch in your adductors and glutes. 4. Rise up. Press through the heels and outer edges of your feet. Squeeze glutes as you return to standing. 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 15 reps, depending on your goal. Keep your torso as upright as possible. Avoid rounding your lower back. Maintain a neutral spine. Please check my next video.